The NCBO Bioportal is an open ontology repository that contains biomedical-related ontology content. We welcome ontology submissions from the community. To submit your ontology, click on the Browse page and then click on the Submit New Ontology button. If you have not already logged in, you will be prompted to log in. Once on the Submit New Ontology form, enter the requested information. All fields marked with an asterisk are required. So first we'll start off and enter the ontology name, and then the ontology description, and then next the ontology abbreviation or namespace for the ontology. In the ontology format section, Bioportal supports ontologies in OWL, protege frames, OBO format, and the rich release format. The form fields will update based on the ontology format selected. For ontologies formatted in OWL or protege frames, enter the properties used for the preferred name, synonyms, definition, and term author. In this case, we display what the Bioportal default properties are. If your ontology is not using these properties, please enter the property used in your ontology in the values next to the property. Also, to indicate obsolete terms, enter either the parent term for the obsolete terms or the property used to flag obsolete terms. Next, enter the ontology version, the status of the ontology development, and the release date. In the ontology location section, there are three mechanisms that can be used to submit your ontology. The first is to manually upload your ontology. The second option is to provide a URL where all new versions of your ontology will be posted. Using this method, Bioportal will check daily for new versions and load the new version when detected. Since the new version will be loaded automatically, please include the ontology version information within your ontology file. Bioportal also supports a number of viewing restrictions. For private ontologies, you can limit the view and access via web services to certain Bioportal users. To do this, just simply add their Bioportal username. Bioportal also supports licensed ontologies. In this case, just enter your license information and then users will be presented with this information before viewing the ontology. To continue with our selection, we'll go back and submit this as a private ontology. Next, select the categories that best describe your ontology. Next, enter the contact name and email address. This email address will be used for Bioportal notifications, such as the notice of the ontology parsing status and alerts of new notes added to the ontology. There are also fields where you can enter the ontology homepage, a link for additional documentation and publications about your ontology. Then hit the Submit button. A status message will be displayed to indicate that your ontology was successfully uploaded. Please note that it may be a few hours before your ontology is available to be displayed and accessible via the NCBO web services.